There's something magical about stepping into a home with a story to tell, a place where every detail whispers about the past. In today's video, we're diving into why historic homes aren't just houses. They're timeless treasures that outshine modern new builds. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to say goodbye to cookie-cutter homes forever. Did you know that many historic homes were built to last centuries, while modern builds often struggle to make it past 30 years without major repairs? Or that owning a historic home can actually make you part of an exclusive club of preservationists? Stay tuned, because we're unpacking all the reasons these homes aren't just better, they're extraordinary. But first, if you're new here, welcome to History Loves Company, the channel where we uncover the stories behind historic homes and the people who love them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around until the end for more videos that you're gonna love. Let's start with the obvious, craftsmanship. Unlike many new builds that rely on prefabricated materials, historic homes were built by true artisans. We're talking about hand-carved woodwork, intricate plaster moldings, and materials like solid brick and stone. These homes weren't just built, they were crafted. And then there's the character. Every historic home is unique. You'll never find two that are exactly the same. Compare that to new builds, where you might see the same floor plan repeated a dozen times in the same neighborhood. Historic homes have quirks, charm, and individuality that new builds just can't compete with. Not to mention, many of these homes were constructed using materials that are no longer available or affordable today. It's like owning a piece of art. And it's not just the materials, it's the details. From intricate ironwork to stained glass windows, historic homes were designed to impress, with a level of artistry that's almost unheard of in today's new builds. Now let's talk sustainability. A lot of people assume historic homes aren't eco-friendly, but here's the truth. The greenest home is the one that's already built. By preserving and maintaining a historic property, you're reducing the need for new construction, which is one of the largest contributors to carbon emissions. Plus, with a few modern updates, historic homes can be just as energy efficient as new builds. Think about it. These homes were designed to work with nature, like high ceilings for ventilation and thick walls for insulation. It's smarter design that stands the test of time. And let's not forget about the durability factor. Historic homes were built to last, using materials that were meant to endure. In contrast, many modern builds rely on cheaper, less durable materials that may require frequent replacements, leading to more waste over time. Here's a bonus you may not have considered. Historic homes can be a great investment. Many are located in established neighborhoods with mature trees, walkable streets, and strong community ties. That's something you just can't put a price on. Plus, historic homes often appreciate in value faster than new builds, especially if they're well maintained. And don't forget about tax credits and grants available for preservation work. Owning a piece of history can actually save you money. And if you're thinking about the resale value, consider this. A well-preserved historic home will always have a unique selling point. You're not just selling a house, you're selling a piece of history. Finally, there's the emotional connection. When you walk into a historic home, you're not just buying a house, you're stepping into a story. These walls have seen decades, sometimes centuries of life. There's a soul to these homes that new builds simply don't have. Whether it's uncovering a secret staircase or finding old newspapers under the floorboards, these homes have a way of connecting you to the past in a way that's truly special. And let's not forget the stories these homes tell, from hosting generations of family gatherings to witnessing historic moments. Each house holds memories that make it feel alive. It's these intangibles that turn a house into a home. So what do you think? Are you ready to trade modern convenience for timeless charm? Let us know in the comments which feature of historic homes you love the most. And if you're as obsessed with these architectural gems as we are, make sure to subscribe and check out our last video. It's a tour of one of the most iconic historic homes in Michigan. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching History Loves Company, where every home has a story, and we're here to help you discover yours.